Thomas with Houston Paint Protection, here to talk paint protection options for BMW M2s. These BMW M2s are extremely popular these days. They offer a great bang for buck for the performance side, and the owners tend to either daily drive them, do spirited driving or track days, or a combination of all three. And because of that, we see a lot of them here in the shop looking to get protected. In this case, the owner is going to be going with all three of our services, which is going to be the paint protection film that gets applied to the high impact areas to help block things like rock chips, bug stains, and other physical damage. He's going to get a ceramic coating on the full exterior to help keep it looking new, enhance the gloss and shine, and keep it easier to clean over time, and overall just keep the car looking new for many years coming. And he is also going to do the ceramic window tint, which will go on the windshield and all of the side and back glass to not only enhance the privacy and the look of the car, but also help push away a lot of that incoming heat, UV and infrared that the harsh Houston sun imposes on these vehicles. For the paint protection film, he's actually going with one of our most popular packages for the M2, which is going to be the track package. That is a combination of a full front paint protection film package along with the addition of the rocker panels. That full front will include the bumper, the lights, the full hood and fenders, along with the mirror caps. So this is going to take care of protecting all of the high impact, forward facing impact area of the car. It will also include these larger piano black accent pieces up front, super important for those since they're forward facing, and that lower splitter piece tends to get really beat up on the M2, so we'll make sure to cover that. And then the rocker panel is going to be the full side skirt from wheel to wheel all down the side. And this is going to help out with all of the debris that these sticky tires shoot down the side of the car, whether it be regular driving, track days, spirited driving, whatever. He'll know he's protected. With our ceramic coating package, that covers the full exterior. So that's gonna have coverage over the paint protection film, all of the exposed paint that isn't covered, along with the trim and plastics, and we will also do the brake calipers and the faces and spokes of the wheels. So the whole thing will be protected, extra shiny and glossy, and also be easy to clean. On the ceramic window tint, I did mention he's gonna get all of the glass covered in the vehicle. So we'll do all of the side and back glass to help protect the leather from the sun, keep the temperature down and the comfort up for the driver. And also we're going to be doing the windshield. On the windshields, we're gonna do a relatively clear film. That way you can get all of the performance and heat rejection of the ceramic tint without darkening up the windshield and causing any issues at night. We are finding more and more with these smaller vehicles and any vehicle that someone's spending a lot of time in, that people are wanting to get these windshields tinted to help with the comfort and heat rejection, because if you don't get this covered, it's kind of like riding around in a boat with a hole in the hull. You know, it's mostly put together, but it's still leaking water from somewhere, and it's really important. So these windshields, super critical to get tinted if you want that nice, comfortable drive. As always, we're gonna get started with our thorough prep process to make sure the vehicle is properly cleaned and decontaminated before we start all of the work. And then we will do the paint protection film, ceramic coating, and then window tint in that order. So in this video, we're gonna show you everything from start to finish. Let's get started. If you've got a brand new BMW M2 or any other special vehicle to you that you would like protected, reach out to us at HoustonPaintProtection.com, give us a call, or stop by in person at the shop and we'll be happy to help you out.